Alright. Should be Sunday, May the 3rd. I'm going to go in and do a quick inspection on the girls. Just give them a little smoke, let them know I'm coming. I'm going to put a ventilation in the top. Nothing fancy, just a couple holes in it with screen. Alright, let's give the girls some smoke. Let them know. My smoker don't shut off again on me. Alright. Let's see what happens here. Oh yeah. Oh, look at there. Not near the problem with hive beetles in the lid this time. Don't see any. Alright. So I got me a box to put frames in as I take them out. Yeah. Give them a little bit of smoke to go down. Yeah, they look like they're doing real good. Nope, I just saw a few hive beetles. Crush it, sucker. Okay. That was. Oh wow. They're looking pretty healthy. Alright, so let's see about getting frame 10 out. It's going to be the, looks like the loosest one. Alright, we're going to go down a little bit here. May have to set the lid on it while I get the small hive beetle trap going between the frame. Okay. Nothing drawn out there. I'll try it in here for a second. Alright. This is frame 8, which would have been in frame 5 of the original bee nuke I got. The tractor ain't coming down here. My inspection may just be cut real short. Let me make sure. Oh yeah, they're coming. I gotta close this up real quick. How the girls will react to this. Alright. you can hear in the background, my neighbor's mowing behind my fence here, so. Alright, well, give me a chance to get my smoker going again. Round two. Got smoke going now. Alright, let's see if we can make this happen now. Without aggravating them too much. Alright, back to frame 10 being out. Alright. Here we go. There. I don't see nothing in this frame. But on this side, oh yeah, it's like they're putting nectar in there. See it? Okay. Okay, we're going to go to frame 9, which I moved to frame position 8. They have definitely built on it. I think my idea worked. Oh yeah, they're drawing comb on that sucker. See that? I'm completely happy with that. They're working both sides too. So my response, or my pyramid scheme is definitely working. Oh Lord, that tractor keeps coming by. Alright, girl. They've got the hive and the bars put together here pretty well. This one is stacked up pretty deep with bees. Alright, girls. Go easy on me. I'm gonna say that's nectar with a bunch of brood. I think it's capped brood. hoping that's what that is. So I ain't seen my queen yet, but I'm not looking real hard for her either. Main thing I'm looking for is bugs we don't want within the hive. Because a small hive beetle was definitely a problem last time. Well, I've seen a couple. I ain't seen nothing serious. Okay, this is the original middle frame, and this thing looks heavy. Set that down there. Oh yeah, it's definitely heavy. I don't want to pick it up like I am right now. Oh wow, that sucker is heavy. I still don't see the queen. Okay, here's one side of it. Hope I'm getting good video of it. Here's the other side. There you see. Looking really good. There's a lot of nectar in here. Oh wow. Yeah, they've got this thing full. They have been some busy girls. Okay. Alright, so move this frame over some more. Take my time. Oh yeah, there's some more right there. And I see some babies in there. Oh, I see larvae. That is so cool. I know she's still laying. Oh wow. Alright, so here's that side. I'm gonna spin that side around. I don't see her still, but to be honest, I'm not looking too hard for her. I know she's here. If I see her, I see her. If I don't, I don't. The girls are real calm. They seem real content. And I'm not seeing any hive beetles like I was last time. Only concerns me right now is that tractor running around. And they don't seem to care about it. I probably care about it more than they do. Wow. Alright, now this is frame 3 in frame 4's position. This was one of my frames. Oh yeah, they're drawing her out. I don't see any honey or nectar or any oh, there's some pollen right there. So they are drawing these out like I wanted. So I'm gonna stick with my plan. Okay. All right, so here's frame. I must be, Oh yeah, I smell that. I must be getting closer because the girls kind of got noisy. Yeah. I'm assuming she's on this frame here. So I'm gonna, as soon as I touch this frame, they started making some serious noise. I'm only assuming she's on here because I don't know. We got more cat brood. I see some babies in there. Alright, let's just like this, I can maybe see. Yeah, I see babies in here, larval babies. Alright, so let's see if I can get this on video. It's hard for me to do both because I'm still learning here. I do see something I need to do though. I'm gonna clean up some of the stuff on this frame if I can. It may make my life a little easier. Still learning how to do all this. I got a ton of it on there. Are you kidding? This stuff is like glue. Super glue. Oh. Okay. We will put this one back in. I didn't see her still, but again, I'm not looking as hard as I was the first time. I'm content that she's here. Alright, this is one of the first original 2 frames. There's a few bees on it. Looks like they put a little bit of wax on it. So, let's see, that's to the inside, so nothing there. Oh, a hive beetle. Not anymore. Yeah, the only reason they're there is because ain't no bees that attack them. And last frame. Saw a few bees on it, but I don't expect to see anything. Yeah. Oh, wow. A roach or a water bug or whatever you want to call them. Feel that too. You don't need that in there. Alright, overall, I'm content. See a dead bee, a dying bee down there. I'm content with them. So, put everything back to the way it was. Alright girls, you ain't got a bridge across there now. Let me clean that off. This is probably my worst frame right here. I really need to clean the edges of it off. Alright girls, let's go back to where we originally were here.